And joining us from Black Forest in Germany is spiritual guru Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Sri Sri, what is your message as you see hundreds of Indians coming out and expressing their solidarity with this crusade?
Yeah, people have woken up, and this is very good because a political movement is standing out for a cause that would take our country forward. So people across the country, not affiliated to any particular political party, have come together with responsibility, and I'm sure the government will take notice of it, and they should take notice of it. And all that the demands are very simple: have a neutral committee, half of the people from the government, half the civic society participate in drafting a rule for punishing the corrupt. And I don't know why we are taking so much time to do this. I'm concerned about Annaji's health.
Right, Sri Sri, there have been corruption movements or anti-corruption movements in the past as well. Why do you feel that the time is right now? What do you feel is different about the movement now?
People feel that they have had enough of it. It's time to act. And when leaders of society stood up and the movement Corruption Against India, India Against Corruption, that whole thing, it gave them a platform to voice their, anguish. And Anna Hazare has been such a honest and noble leader of our country, and he has been working tirelessly in Maharashtra, and I have known him for the last 25 years. We have been with him in all his struggles, and now that he has taken a national role, and everybody is happy to join hands.
Sri Sri, what would your message be to Anna Hazare, who's on his fast, today is the third day, and on the other hand, what is your message to the government?
I am with Annaji. I have been his admirer and supporter from the very beginning. I have been with him even in this all our Art Living volunteers are there. They are with him. Many of them are also sitting on the fast. And I would like the government to immediately listen to this and start the process of dialogue. And I'm sure they will do it. The government will do it. I'm positive about it.
Also, Sri Sri, what we are seeing is hundreds and thousands of Indians, not just across the country, but across the world are coming in and joining in the solidarity of this crusade. What is your message to those hundreds of Indians who are saying that enough of corruption, down with corruption?
I'm glad that this awakening has happened, and I would like every one of them to multiply and tell 100 more. Each one can reach 100 and bring the same spirit and enthusiasm that we are not going to simply accept corruption as form, as a matter of fact, or as a way of life. Rather, we would stand against it.
And Sri Sri, finally, to the supporters of Anna Hazare and to Anna Hazare's health has not been keeping well, especially since he's sitting out in the heat for the past 3 days. He needs all the support. How do you feel that personally you can be part of this movement even though you're away in Germany?
All my volunteers are there. I'm on Skype call with him. Yesterday, day before also I was with them. I have been talking to Annaji also on Skype with them. Since I had made a commitment here for a talk here, so I had to come for a peace talk. So I had to come. I could not cancel my commitment. I'll be back very soon.
And finally, Sri Sri, what is your message to politicians? Because they seem almost frightened of this anti-corruption crusade. What would your message be to all the netas who are really on the back foot at this point?
I would give message to only those who would take it.
On that note, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, spiritual guru from the Black Forest region in Germany, he's taken the time out to extend his solidarity to Anna Hazare and all the supporters across India. Sri Sri